Good morning, students. Today we are starting computer, right? Standard 7. And we are starting lesson number 7, that is internet services, right? Internet. What is internet? Some of says it is Google, it is Facebook, it is WhatsApp, right? Yes, it is. But it is not exactly internet. It is because of internet you can use all of these things, right? So today in this session we are learning about what is internet services, what is computer, what is network, what is computer network, right? What is the use of network. There are some different kind of definitions are there, like www, website, homepage, URL, web browser, hyperlinks, download and upload, and application of internet, right? So now the next is what is computer, right? In the previous lecture we already discussed that the computer is an electronic device and which is used to solve a variety of different kind of problem in different field, right? In a computer we do so many work simultaneously at the same time, that why it is known as multipurpose machines, right? Now see, you can see one figure is here, right? Now it is a definition of computer network, right? See, there is some figure. There are different kind of computers are there and the computers are connected with each other, right? Using some cables, right? So it is known as network. So what is the definition of that computer network? That computer network is a collection of computers and devices which connected together via using some communication device and transmission media, right? And some more, for example, it like may be connected with the computers, printer and scanner, right? Now the next is what is internet. Now what is the internet? It is a network of computer connected worldwide to share your information, right? Inter yani interconnected and net, that is the network, right? So what is the full form of internet? That is interconnected network, right? It is a very large wide area network, that is WAN, which is coming computers and network around the world. And what is network? Internet, different kind of computers are one or more computers are connected with each other using some cables, and that is a network, right? Now internet, it is useful in a different field in such as a communication, in education and entertainment and any more, right? It is possible for millions of users to connect one another via telephone lines, cable lines and satellite, right? Some like if your relatives in outside of India, right? With the help of internet, you can communicate with that person, right? Now there is some important point. Now you can see the some figure, right? When one figure is it, there is one computer, right? The machine, that is your personal computer, right? When we connect our computer to a network, we become a network user, right? That means when we connect our computer to a network, that time we become a user and our computer is called as a workstation, right? That time our computer is known as our workstation. And the main thing is server, right? Now what is a server? See in this figure that 3 or 4 computers are there and one main black server are there. So the central computers, right? With the help of server, the multiple computers are connected. The central computers are, we access is known as server, right? Now what is the WWW? The full form of WWW is World Wide Web, right? It is a way of exchanging information between computer on a internet, right? With the help of WWW, you can share your information into the internet. It is contain the text, web page, pictures and videos, right? A web page is a document containing information that can be accessed through a web browser, right? Now, what is a web page? It is kind of document which contains some information and that can be used by using through the web browser, right? Now see, there one is internet and one is www, right? So what is it happen in internet? The internet connecting the computers, right? See, with the help of internet you connect the computers, but with the help of www you can connect with the people. See, in the first figure the three computers are connected, right? That is known as internet. In the second figure, that three persons are communicate with each other using www. Now the next is, what is a website? Like Google, right? Now a website is a collection of web pages. That is the definition of website. What is the definition of website? A website is a collection of web pages, and these web pages is contain different kind of information regarding any particular subject, including text, color, graphic, animation, sounds, and many more things. Now, what is the home page? Home page is the first page of your website, right? If you open a Google, right, then you show the Google page, the first page of the Google, that is the home page, right? So when we open a website, it automatically brings you in a home page, right? And it shows the index of table of content of the website, and the home page shows the different kind of indexes of the table that contain the website. Now, what is the URL? That is a universal resource locator. Fine. Now, what is the use of this URL? It is an address of the web page, right? URL is the unique link of the web page through which we can open the website or a web page, right? Suppose if you want to go somewhere else, right? If you want to go for some shopping, but you don't have any address, right? So you cannot go. So for that, there is one particular address for that any person, like your school address or your home address, right? So that is a particular address. With the help of that particular location, you can go for that. So the URL is the unique link for the web page through which we can open the website or a web page like www.google.com. Fine. Now the next is, what is the web browser? A web browser is a software which is used to access the web pages, right? Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, and Google, this different kind of, this is known as web browser, and it helps us to interact with the information on the web, right? We all know about that. Some is Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, and Google. These are the widely used browser, right? Now, what is the hyperlink? The hyperlink are text or images which connect to another website or another web page when we click on them, right? And when we move the mouse pointer on the hyperlink, the pointer changes its shape to a hand. Suppose if you want to find the classical dance, right? Classical dance, if you want to find, then what you have to do is go in a Google, write down the classical classes in Maninagar. Then it shows the list of data. And when you click any one of them, you show the blue line and one hand becomes there. When you click on that, you go in the next page. That means hyperlink is one or more page are connected with each other with the help of hyperlink. Now what is the download and upload, right? You see the figure, download and upload. Download is a process of receiving a program or information from the internet, right? If you want to download some movie, what you have to do is select one song or select any movie, click on the download. So the process of receiving a data from internet, that is download, and upload, that is putting some information from our computer on the internet, that is a upload, right? You all know about what is download and upload. Download, that means download something from something, receiving something from internet, that is download. Upload, that means sending or putting some information on the internet, that is upload, right? Now what is the search engine, right? What is a search engine? It is specially programmed website that designed to help people to find the information. What is the use of search engine? With the help of search engine, people can find some information on the web, right? It just specially programmed that searches the web for the keyword given by us and display list of website. As I told you that if you want to find some classical dance classes in Maninagar, that you have to write down go in a Google, write down some particular keyword, right? And when you go for a search option, it shows the list of websites, right? The most of the search engines are like Google, Bing, and MSN search, right? For an example, I already earlier told you that when a user asks a search engine about classical dance, then search engine check it in its index and gives the list of pages that mention the classical dance, and the list has hyperlink, which when we click takes you the site, right? Some popular search engines are like Google, Bing, Alta and Vista, and many more things, right? Now how search engine work, right? Now you see there is one figure is there, right? Now the search engine, for how to do the perform of the search engine is like www, right? Then you have to select the information based on a specific keywords, right? And they keep the index of the word they find and where they find them. They display user list of websites. They shows the list of websites and that matches with the keyword, and you can find your outputs, right? Now what is this figure shows? Now search engine is used automated software, right? Which is known as robots, spiders and squirrels, right? And this web squirrels browser the web and store the informations about the pages they visit. Fine. Now the next is how to searching the information on a particular topic, right? So this is one figure. Now go in a Google. This you can see some points are there, 1, 2 and 3, right? And what you have to do is open any search engine website in a browser. Browser, that means your Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox or any one else, Chrome, right? So open any search engine. If I'm open a Google, right? Now in the text area you write down the terms of search. That means what you want to find out, you just write down on that, right? And then click on a Google search button and the number of links will be open. Suppose I open a Google, right? In Google I write down DBMS and it shows the list of links, list of websites are available. This way you can find your things, right? Now how to save an image to your computer, right? The same way, what you have to do is open any search engine, right? Go for an image selection, type any particular image and number of image will be displayed, right? See, in the first I write down the one image, right? Go for the search option and you can see the list of options, right? In this what you have to do is click on an image to open it. After that what you have to do is just right click on the image, select the save picture as an option. That means what you have to do is, for saving a picture, go in a Google, write down any image what you want to search, right? Write down any image name after going in the search button, right? Click on a search button. After that, select any one picture, right click on image and select the save picture, and it shows the folder where you want to save your picture. Just write down the name of that particular file and click on a save button. That way you can save the images, right? So now next is how to make notes in a browser, right? Browser has some different kind of facility or functionality that you make some notes like. Then what is the note? That making a note within the browser, it's called inking, right? That means making a notes within the browser, it's called inking, and it means to subscribe and mark text on the web page within the browser. Now let's learn about how to use it, right? Now open any browser. In the browser, the corner you see this option, right? When you click on this option, it shows a different kind of other option. This is the option for making a notes, right? When you click on this option, it shows this kind of different options, right? Then the first is, you can see the green pen, right? This is the pen. The second is highlighter. Third is eraser, add notes, clip, save and share, right? This is save and save. So how to write, how to use these options, right? So first we learn about pen, right? What is the use of pen? This is used to subscribe on the scribble on the page. Just click on the page icon, mark on a draw on the website. What is it? That means with the help of pen, you can write something on your web page. Now what is the highlight? It is used to highlight the text and images instead of drawing over them, right? And just click on the highlight icon and drag over the text or image to highlight. That means how to happen this? Just click on the highlight option over your mouse on any text and it becomes highlights, right? Eraser. With the help of eraser, you can erase your notes, right? You just erase the icon and you can erase your notes. Now what is add a note? How to add a note? This is used to type a command on the web page, right? For that what you have to do is click on the add a note icon and a number, pin and a text box will be appear. You can see in this figure, right? This is the add note. When you click on this option, this text box will be open. The first is a pin, right? See, the pin and text box will be open. This is your pin number and the text box is here, right? Next is we can close the text box by clicking on the number, pin. If you want to close the notes, you just click on the first pin number, then your note will be closed, right? To reopen the text, click on the pin again. If you want to open your text box, then you have to just click on your pin number. If you want to remove your notes, just click on the trash button, right? See, the delete the command, pin and the text box, click the trash icon to lower the right corner of your text box, okay? And the last chip, what is the clip? This is used to capture a screenshot from the page, right? Click on the clip icon and drag over the portion you want to capture, right? Save. With the help of, this is the clip. What is the use of clip? With the help of clip, you can select the particular portion of your images or any text, select that particular portion, right? And after that, just move your mouse and you can release the mouse and that image and you get the copy of that clip notes, right? Now next, how to saving the web notes, right? Here you can see there is one save option is here, right? and with the help of this option you can save your notes. When you open your save option, you show the OneNote, favorites and reading list. Now select any one of this and just click on the save button. This way you can save your options, right? Now how to open the web page, right? First what you did OneNote, right, in the web browser. If you want to open that notes, then how you have to open it? Now for the open, just click on a hub. You can see this figure. This is the icon of hub, right? On the address bar, this is your address bar. On the address bar there is one icon that is known as hub, right? Just click on that hub icon. It will show you the favorite or regarding list where you save. You now with the help of this hub icon, you can open your web notes and see this is the option of the favorite and this is the reading list, right? So what you have to do is just click on the hub options, go in the favorite or reading list, go in your name and you can see your web note, right? So here we conclude this session. Fine. So today we see the next lecture, right? Now good day students. Bye. Thank you.